Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix can't see your Spotify Wrapped, guys. So basically in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you guys can actually fix not being able to see your Spotify Wrapped, guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. Now, basically a couple of steps that you can actually take to actually be able to see your Spotify Wrapped, guys, is by uninstalling the app. Now, before you actually go ahead and do uninstall it though, guys, head over to the App Store and make sure that your Spotify is updated. Now, it's very important that it's updated, guys, because if you don't update it, you will not be able to see your Spotify Wrapped, guys. So before you go ahead and uninstall it, try to update the app first. And if you've already updated the application, just go ahead and uninstall it and then pretty much go ahead and re-download again. So I'm going to go ahead and update the Spotify application here, guys, and it should take a little bit. It should take no longer than probably 5 minutes. It really depends on your internet connection. So basically, you guys can see that the Spotify app is currently downloading right now, guys. So basically, what this will actually go ahead and do, guys, is once you go ahead and update the application, it will actually go ahead and give you Spotify Wrapped, guys, because pretty much, Spotify gives updates that pretty much, give you all these new features and stuff. It's very important that you go ahead and always update the application as well as other applications, guys. So without further ado, guys, you guys can see that it is finally updated, guys. It's coming up weird on my end right here, but if we go ahead and head over to the Spotify, let's see, Spotify, and then we click on it, you guys can see that Spotify has been successfully updated. So let's go ahead and go back and head over to Spotify, and then we're going to open it up again, and you guys can see right below playlist, our Spotify 2022 is actually right here, guys. So you can go ahead and click on it, and you guys can see, sorry about that, guys, but you guys can see that it actually does show up. So this pretty much fixes the Spotify Wrapped not being able to be seen on your end. So hopefully that resolves all of your issues, guys, and pretty much hopefully you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. If you guys haven't already, leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys for the next video.